Have you ever wondered where the asteroid belt is located in our solar system and why it even exists? A question that piques the curiosity of many as we delve into the enigma of the cosmos. The asteroid belt, a fascinating feature of our solar system, sits comfortably between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This is not just an ordinary region of space, it is a vast expanse teeming with countless asteroids, each one a world unto itself, each one holding secrets of our universe's past. Imagine a colossal jigsaw puzzle where each piece is an asteroid, waiting to be understood, waiting to tell its tale. The asteroid belt is more than just a collection of space rocks. It's a cosmic Rubik's Cube, a jumble of celestial bodies that have been around since the dawn of our solar system. So as we embark on this journey of discovery, let's unravel the mystery of this cosmic rubble pile together. To understand the asteroid belt, we must travel back in time to the birth of our solar system. Imagine the universe over 4.5 billion years ago, a vast swirling cloud of gas and dust. This was the primordial solar nebula, the nursery from which our sun and planets were born. As gravity pulled this nebulous cloud together, a star, our sun, ignited in its heart. Around this newborn star, a disk of gas and dust began to swirl. Within this protoplanetary disk, solid particles started to collide and stick together, forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. In the inner solar system, these planetesimals merged to form the rocky planets we know today: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. But further out, something different happened. Here, in a region we now call the asteroid belt, the story took a different turn. This region was heavily influenced by the massive gravitational pull of Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. This gravitational tug-of-war was so strong that it prevented the planetesimals in this region from coalescing into a planet. Instead, they were thrown into chaotic orbits, smashing into each other and breaking apart rather than combining. And so the asteroid belt was born, a vast rocky graveyard filled with the remnants of these ancient planetesimals. Each asteroid is a piece of the primordial solar system, frozen in time, a testament to the chaotic process that gave birth to our planets. The asteroid belt is a fascinating place. It's like a cosmic archaeological site, preserving the raw materials of planet formation that have remained largely unchanged for billions of years. By studying these asteroids, we can gain precious insights into the early days of our solar system and the processes that led to the formation of planets. The asteroid belt is a relic from the time when our solar system was just a baby. It reminds us of the grandeur of the cosmos, the beauty of creation, and the enduring mystery of our origins. So, what exactly lives in this asteroid belt, you may ask? Well, it's not exactly a bustling neighborhood filled with aliens, but it's certainly home to a variety of fascinating residents. The asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, is filled with a diverse collection of asteroids, each with its own unique story to tell. Let's start with the types of asteroids. Primarily, they can be classified into three categories: C-type, S-type, and M-type. C-type asteroids or carbonaceous asteroids are the most common. They're dark in color and made up largely of carbon and silicate rocks. S-type or silicaceous asteroids are composed mostly of silicate materials and nickel iron. M-type or metallic asteroids are made up primarily of nickel iron. Among the numerous asteroids, there are a few that stand out from the crowd. Ceres, for instance, is the largest asteroid in the belt and is classified as a dwarf planet. It's so big that it accounts for a third of the asteroid belt's total mass. Ceres is also unique in that it has a thin transient atmosphere and possibly even a subsurface ocean of liquid water. Then there's Vesta, the second largest asteroid in the belt. Unlike Ceres, Vesta has a surface covered with basaltic rock, much like the Earth's moon. Pallas, the third largest asteroid, is heavily cratered and has an extremely inclined orbit. Last but not least, we have Hygeia. Despite being the fourth largest, Hygeia may be the main contributor to the largest family of asteroids that share similar orbits. These space rocks are so much more than just chunks of rock and metal floating in the void. Each asteroid, from the smallest rock to the largest dwarf planet, carries with it a wealth of information about the early solar system. They're like time capsules, preserving the conditions of the solar system's youth over 4.5 billion years ago. In essence, these space rocks are more than just chunks of rock and metal. They're windows into our solar system's past. Despite what you may have seen in movies, navigating the asteroid belt isn't quite a death-defying feat. Now let's unravel the truth. The common image of the asteroid belt is a densely packed, chaotic, and dangerous zone, teeming with whizzing rocks. However, that's a far cry from the reality. In actual fact, the asteroid belt is more like a cosmic desert with occasional rocks rather than a bustling highway of tumbling boulders. The asteroids within the belt are spread out over such a vast expanse that encountering one is more of a rarity than a certainty. To give you a sense of the distances we're dealing with, the average separation between asteroids in the belt is about 2.5 million miles. That's roughly 10 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. But why does this misconception persist? For one, it's a product of our human perspective. Our brains are wired to perceive things on a human scale, and the vast emptiness of space is frankly hard to comprehend. Moreover, it's a narrative that's been perpetuated by Hollywood, where the dramatic tension of a spaceship narrowly dodging asteroids makes for an exciting scene. However, this misconception can pose real challenges when it comes to public understanding of space exploration. The notion of a densely packed asteroid belt fuels misconceptions about the dangers of space travel and can even impact support for missions to the outer planets. But that's not to say the asteroid belt is without its dangers. The primary hazard is not the density of asteroids, but rather their speed. These celestial bodies are moving at an average speed of 15,000 miles per hour, and even a small asteroid can cause significant damage at such speeds. So, let's set the record straight. Navigating the asteroid belt is not akin to a game of cosmic dodgeball. It's more like a vast silent ocean with occasional islands of rock. The asteroid belt is not the cosmic minefield we once thought it was. Why should we care about this seemingly desolate region of space? You might wonder. Well, the answer lies in the very essence of our existence, our pursuit of knowledge, and our tireless quest for understanding the universe. The asteroid belt is not just a collection of rocky bodies orbiting our sun. It is, in fact, a cosmic treasure trove, a time capsule preserving the very materials from which our solar system was born. Each asteroid, each speck of dust in this belt, carries within it the secrets of the early solar system. By studying these fragments, we can journey back in time 4.5 billion years ago to when our solar system was just a swirling mass of gas and dust. Additionally, these asteroids are not just silent spectators. They actively participate in shaping our understanding of the universe. When they collide and break apart, they give birth to meteorites that sometimes fall to Earth. These meteorites, the fallen stars, are the cosmic gifts that provide scientists with tangible evidence of what lies beyond our planet. But the significance of the asteroid belt goes beyond just scientific curiosity. It is also about the origin of life itself. Some asteroids are rich in organic compounds, the building blocks of life, and it is believed that billions of years ago, asteroid impacts may have carried these compounds to Earth, seeding life as we know it. Moreover, asteroids could be the fuel stations of the future. With resources dwindling on Earth, asteroids rich in minerals and metals could provide the raw materials for future space exploration and even for sustaining life on other planets. So, you see, the asteroid belt is not just a bunch of rocks in space, it is a scientific goldmine, a potential lifeline, and an essential part of our cosmic journey. The asteroid belt, a seemingly barren stretch of space, holds the keys to many of our burning questions about the universe. And as we continue to explore, who knows what other secrets this celestial belt holds, waiting to be unraveled. The asteroid belt, a cosmic treasure trove, awaits our exploration. As we draw this celestial journey to a close, let's revisit the key points discussed. Born from the chaos of our solar system's infancy, the asteroid belt is more than just an assembly of rocky bodies. It's a living testament to the celestial ballet that has been unfolding for billions of years. The belt's occupants, diverse in size and composition, each hold their own unique stories. And though myths may abound, we've debunked a few, reminding us that the asteroid belt is not a perilous obstacle course, but rather a spaced-out collection of rocky remnants. Its importance cannot be overstated. The asteroid belt serves as a crucial link in our understanding of the solar system's history and evolution. It's a cosmic time capsule, holding clues to our past and keys to our future. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember the asteroid belt, the silent storyteller of our cosmic past.